to make and create Instagram Reels videos on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to canva.com and log into your account. Now go to the top here and click on create a design. After you click on it, search for Instagram and go down, click on Instagram Reels. After you click on Instagram Reels, it will take you to this page. Now go here and choose any template you want, for example this one, and you can edit and change everything from here, as you can see. After you finish, go here and click download. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.